Flying is one of the safest and most convenient modes of commuting. However, the aviation industry leaves behind a huge carbon footprint. In order to keep its impact on the planet in check, the aviation industry sets its own climate goals. But a new research now says that the global aviation industry has missed all of its climate targets except one. The industry has met only 1 out of 50 goals. The research has been commissioned by a charity called Possible. These climate goals have been set over the course of 2 decades since the year 2000. The targets included resorting to energy efficiency methods to save fuel. Let's take the example of Virgin Atlantic. The report pointed out that the airline aimed to use 10% of biofuel by the year 2020. The target was set between 2010 and 2012, but it was not mentioned ever again. The report says that Richard Branson has pledged to allocate $3 billion to fight global warming, another promise that he never met. Only one company called EasyJet was able to meet the target. It reduced fuel burn per passenger kilometer by 3% by the year 2015. Talking about the aviation industry in the UK, the government will publish its Jet Zero strategy on how to cut emissions from aviation. The Jet Zero strategy aims to provide a framework for achieving net zero aviation by 2050. Even though the plan looks good on paper, execution remains a problem. This is because decarbonizing airlines is considered to be a complex and expensive process. The companies say they require government incentives to make changes viable. The UK's Climate Change Committee has mentioned some recommendations. This includes resorting to low-carbon fuels and demand-side measures, no net expansion of UK airport capacity unless the sector outperforms its net emissions trajectory, and finally, continued innovation. WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.